Hi, today is the 23rd of September and we shall today look at the chart of Facebook and see what is likely to happen next. So this is the chart, weekly chart of Facebook, where it went all the way from $40 to $220 in a nice uptrend. Now this uptrend hold on. This can be counted on a weekly chart as 5 waves up, or it could still be a wave 3 up done with a 4th and a 5th to come. Both are possible at this time. Now let us look at the daily and see what's happening over there. On the daily, it gapped down on that day and then retraced that gap and then again came down. It retraced it in 3 waves, then came down and again retraced in 3 waves, and now it's on the verge of coming down again. It's interesting to see that this level was initially support, broke through, then went up and retested, came down and went again and retested, and now came down again. So long as this level of 167 holds, we would be looking at further downside to at least these levels of 150. So these levels should come in pretty quick time now, because this support has been retested from the bottom and the resistance is now pretty much in place. So as of now, we would like to be bearish on Facebook with a stop anywhere above 167 with a minimum target of $151 to $150. So this is a very nice trade setup in Facebook, and this chart or this script should be very interesting to watch over the coming couple of weeks. Thank you. Bye bye.